Welcome back. In today's lecture, I am Mr. V.D. Jadhav, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Chemistry, KTHM College, Nasik 2. Student, we will start chapter 2nd, that is HPLC method. In that, in previous lecture, we see adsorption chromatography, partition chromatography, normal phase chromatography, reverse phase chromatography. In today's lecture, we discuss size exclusion chromatography, that is SEC. Size exclusion chromatography, SEC, also known as molecular sieve chromatography, is a chromatographic method in which molecules in a solution are separated by their size and, in some cases, molecular weight. It is usually applied to large molecules or micromolecular complexes such as proteins and industrial polymers. Typically, when an aqueous solution is used to transport the sample through the column, the technique is known as gel filtration chromatography versus the name gel permeation chromatography, which is used when an organic solvent is used as a mobile phase. The chromatography column is packed with fine porous beds which are composed of dextran polymers. It is known as SEPADEX. Agarose sepia rose or polyacrylamide, sepiacryl or biogel P. The pore size of these beds are used to estimate the dimensions of micromolecules. Size exclusion chromatography is a widely used polymer characterization method because of its ability to provide good molar mass distribution results for polymers. Applications of size exclusion chromatography. The main application of gel filtration chromatography is the fractionation of protein and other water-soluble polymers, while gel permeation chromatography is used to analyze the molecular weight distribution of organic soluble polymers. Either techniques should not be confused with gel electrophoresis, where an electric field is used to pull or push molecules through the gel depending on their electrical charges. The amount of time a solute remains within a pore is dependent on the size of the pore. Larger solute will have access to a smaller volume and vice versa. Therefore, a smaller solute will remain within the pore for a longer period of time compared to a larger solute. Another use of size exclusion chromatography is to examine the stability and characteristics of natural organic matter in water. In this method, Margit B. Muller, Daniel Smith, and Fritz H. Friemel tested water sources from different places in the world to determine how stable the natural organic matter is over a period of time. Even though size exclusion chromatography is widely utilized to study natural organic material, there are limitations. One of these limitations include that there is no standard molecular weight marker. Thus, there is nothing to compare the result back. If precise molecular weight is required, other methods should be used. The advantages of size exclusion chromatography. The advantages of this method include good separation of large molecules from the small molecules with a minimal volume of elute, and that various solutions can be applied without interfering with the filtration process, all while preserving the biological activity of the particles to separate. The techniques is generally combined with others that further separate molecules by other characteristics such as acidity, basicity, charge, and affinity for certain compounds. With size exclusion chromatography, there are short and well-defined separation times and narrow bands, which lead to good sensitivity. There is also no sample loss because solute do not interact with the stationary phase. The other advantages to this experimental method is that in certain cases it is feasible to determine the approximate molecular weight of a compound. The shape and size of the compound eluent determine how the compound interact with the gel, that is stationary phase. To determine approximate molecular weight, the elution volumes of compound with their corresponding molecular weights are obtained, and then a plot of K average versus molecular weight is made, where K average is equal to VE minus V0 upon VT minus V0, and MW is the molecular mass. This plot acts as a calibration curve, which is used to approximate the desired compound's molecular weight. The VE, capital VE component represent the volume at which the intermediate molecules elute, such as molecules that have partial access to the beds of the column. In addition, VT, capital VT, capital V, small t is the sum of the total volume between beds and volume within the beds. The capital V, small o is a component represent the volume at which the larger molecule elute, which elute in the beginning. Disadvantages are, for example, that only a limited number of bands can be accommodated because the time scale of the chromatogram is short, and in general there must be a 10% difference in molecular mass to have good resolution. Discovery of size exclusion chromatography. The technique was invented in 1955 by Grant Henry Lathe and Colin R. Ruthven working at Queen Cartload Hospital, London. They later received the John Scott Award for this invention. While Lathe and Ruthven used starch gels as the matrix. Jerker-Porat and Perflodin later introduced dextran gels, other gels with size fractionation properties include agarose and polyacrylamide. A short review of this development has appeared. There were also attempts to fractionate synthetic high polymers. However, it was not until 1964 when J. C. Murray of the Dow Chemical Company published his work on the preparation of gel permeation chromatography column based on cross-linked polystyrene with control pore size. That a rapid increase of research activity in this field began. It was recognized almost immediately that with proper calibration, GPC, that is gel permeation chromatography, was capable to provide molar mass and molar mass distribution information for synthetic polymers because the latter information was difficult to obtain by other methods. Gel permeation chromatography came rapidly into extensive use. Here, size exclusion chromatography. These are the types: molecular exclusion chromatography, gel filtration chromatography, gel permeation chromatography. Principle of size exclusion chromatography: molecules are separated according to their size. Small molecules penetrate the small pores in the stationary phase, while large molecules do not. Large molecules are eluted first. History: in 1960, Porat and Flodin described the separation of water-soluble micromolecules on cross-linked polydextran gels. Molecules are separated according to their size. Big molecules cannot penetrate the small pores in the stationary phase. They are eluted by a volume of solvent equal to the volume of mobile phase. Here, K average is equal to VR minus VO or V0 upon VT minus, not V0 here, VO, and upon VT minus VO, where VO is the volume of the mobile phase, that is void volume. VR is the retention volume for a solute. VT total volume of the column, that is pi r square into length, and VO found by example blue dextran 2000. These are the molecular exclusion chromatography. Molecules are separated according to their size. Here, size exclusion chromatography is separation of two macromolecular sizes. Sample mixture before entering the column packing. Sample mixture upon the sample mixture upon the head of the column. Size separation begins and complete resolution. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, first sample matrix before entering the column packing. Second, This is sample matrix before entering the column packing. Second, sample mixture upon the head of the column. Third, size separation begins. Here started size separation. And fourth, complete resolution. These are the typical size exclusion chromatography calibration curve. Log of molecular weight upon retention volume. Here injection of the matrix, logarithm of molecular weight versus retention time, calibration curve. Chromatogram, mobile phase is delivered to a column with the appropriate stationary phase using a pump at a reproducible and constant flow rate. 0.01 to 1.0 milligram of polymer sample is injected. Sample is detected by at least one detector. Due to the logarithmic relation of mass and elution time, a change in flow rate of 0.1% can cause an error in molar mass of up to 10%. Here, size exclusion chromatography diagram, mobile phase reservoir, pump, injection valve, sample, column, porous particles, detector 1, detector 2, stationary phase for the size exclusion chromatography, polymers of glucose, cellulose, dextran, if cross-link is glycerin, Shepadex, polymer of agarose, polyacrylamide, cross-link gels, small pore size, exclude molecules with molecular weight greater than equal to 700. Cross-link gels, big pore size, here small pore size, here big pore size, exclude molecule with molecular mass greater than equal to 10 raised to 8. The finer the particles, the greater the resolution, the slower the flow rate of the column. Particles with different pore size can be mixed to give a wider molecular size separation range. In general, two types of molecules can be separated provided that there is a 10% difference in their molecular sizes. Column for the size exclusion chromatography. Unlike the other modes of liquid chromatography, the separation comes from the stationary phase only. The mobile phase should have no effect as long as the sample is well dissolvable. Separation is carried out on the pores with typically equal 40% of the total column volume. As a result, long column or several columns are required. Here, usual size of size exclusion chromatography column 7 to 8 mm diameter analytical column and 20 to 25 mm diameter preparative column. Length 20 to 60 cm. Column packing porous silica cross-link organic gels. Selection of size exclusion chromatography columns. Small particle size 5 micrometer provides more theoretical plates. Small particle size more sensitive to contaminations. Small particle size can result on shear degradation of large polymers. Combination of packings with different separation range can be achieved by column of different porosity or mixed bed columns. Chemical nature of column packing crucial. Handling size exclusion chromatographic column. A column set should be always run in the same mobile phase. Calibration life of the column should not be operated in backward position. No air bubbles in columns during injection and assembly. Always use a pre-column when in doubt about the quality of the sample. Applications. Typical size exclusion chromatography application. Analysis of synthetic polymers and oligomers, coal-derived substances, lipids, proteins, cellulose derivatives, crude oil alkenes. Separation of proteins. These are the application of size exclusion chromatography here. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 peaks. Absorbance at 280 nanometer. Absorbance versus time. These are the molecular weight of different proteins. Choosing the pore width, organic soluble polymers and styrene divinylbenzene packing, molecular weight range, pore size in angstrom unit. Here molecular weight range 100 to 1000, pore size 50 angstrom, molecular weight range 250 to 2500, pore size 100 angstrom, 1000 to 18,000, pore size 500, molecular weight range 5000 to 40,000. The table lists the molecular weight range of separation for individual pore size columns of styrene divinylbenzene packing based on polystyrene chain length. Exclusion limit in angstroms. Instrument parameters for size exclusion chromatography. Flow rate 0.1 to 10 ml per minute. Default 1 ml per minute. Injection volume 1 to 1000 microliter. Default 10 microliter. Temperature 25 to 220 degrees Celsius. Default 40 degrees Celsius. Column length 50 to 1200 mm. Default 300 mm. Column ID 2 to 20 mm. Default 7.5 mm. Connection dead volume 0 to 1000 microliter. Detector type, refractive index, viscosity, density, light scatter. Detector volume, detector path length 1 to 25 millimeter. Detector time constant 0.0125 second. All these are the size exclusion chromatography. Thank you.